We are pleased to show you the 2017 ES. Lexus has sold the ES family of vehicles since 1989 as its mid-sized luxury sedan line. The ES series has become the best-selling sedan for Lexus and known for its emphasis on interior amenities and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, backup monitor, power moonroof, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, leather shift knob. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.